Greetings, CastHeads. Welcome to another Motherload from Maisto and Bburago. What's happening? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday morning. We are having a fantastic Sunday morning because the postman last week has been nice and kind to us, bringing us two wonderful packages from our main friends at Maisto and Bburago. Can't wait to open these up. We've been in fact waiting for you guys so we can open these up and show you what's inside. Lots of great goodies. Don't forget Christmas is coming soon. We're just a few months away from Christmas, so you know these could make some mighty great Christmas gifts for your friends and family, so make sure you get them. Let's see what's in these boxes. So I think it's always best to go with the first big box, so let's open this one up and check out what they've sent us. Yo. Here we go. So here we are, opening up. And what we always love about the packaging that guys send us is healthy amounts of bubble wrap. Because you know, okay, there we go, that sounds better, right? Put that aside. Oh yeah. So now everybody's into haulers these days, so Maisto has got their own line of haulers, and looking inside this box, they've sent us quite a few. For example, this is the 1965 Pontiac GTO. There you go. Car with hauler. Nice black and orange number with some really decked out wheels. This is going to look super sexy. In fact, here, while I get the other one out, we can give you a close up of that. Yeah, nice, nice. Okay, let's put that down and get some tunes going. This one I really like. This is the Porsche Cayenne pulling the Porsche 918 Spider on a nice little trailer. The trailer also looks foldable. One thing's for sure, we're going to be doing close-ups of these and nice reviews later on. Don't forget we have our B7 Custom Works garage, which will be able to show all these wonderful 164 scale trailers and cars. This is the Porsche Cayenne and the 918. Oh yeah. We just love getting stuff from Maisto and Bburago. This one I like. Nachos Auto Parts. Ram truck from with the 1957 Chevy Bel Air gasser. There you go. Nice red and silver number. Even the paint looks distressed on the Ram truck, so that's really cool. It gives that an old classic effect. There we have the COE flatbed, the 1960 Ford Starliner. So that wind in the background has now died down. This one is my favorite. I really like this. This is the International Tourist flatbed with a VW Beetle Cabriolet, and look at that beautiful turquoise blue and beige. If that doesn't spell out classic to you, I don't know what does. Yep, lots of chrome, lots of bright polish, I love it. Then, we got more bubble wrap. Now the last set that Bburago and Maisto sent us basically had the Datsun 240Z Mod Street version. This time, in 1/18 scale, they've sent us this bog standard custom, not custom, I'm going to say custom. Custom is the other one. This is the basic model. Look at that. Can't wait to open that up and put it side by side with our Tokyo mod. Nice. Just love it. Can't wait to open that up. And then finally, yo, let's get some tunes up in this place for this, because this is a beauty. Um, yeah, everyone's mad about the Bugattis right now. We got the Veyron, we got the Chiron, we got the Devo, we got the Tivo, we got every Bugatti available. Bugatti just keeps throwing cars at us. In fact, they recently broke their own speed limit, which Hennessy and Tesla and all are trying to break on their own. And this one that we got from Bburago, this is new. This hasn't been out in the market yet, or there's very few out, and it's on the same level as the FXXK Evo that we showed you last time, and that is the Bugatti Devo. And this is the Italian designed Bugatti Devo, so looking at some really nice details in finish. It's in matte black and light blue. Simply love it, can't wait to open it. And there we go. Box number 1, empty. Let's see what box number 2's got. Yes, they did send us a box number 2. And this one is a bit of a different take from our norm, because we don't usually do this, but since they sent it to us, we're definitely going to do a very cool review of these. And since they've sent 2, we're looking at some major competition between Lance and myself later on. Starting off which is the Datsun 510 in blue, radio control. Yes, that's right. This is from the Maisto Tech series. And we're just loving the Falcon print on the tires, the low profile and the low stance of the car. It's gonna be awesome to race around the house with. And then, to team up with that, we have, in 124 scale, the Brie Datsun. Shake it and weep, people, because this is just fancy stuff. There we go. So we're gonna have some crazy reviews coming up. Big thank you going out to Bburago and Maisto. You can check them out on Instagram. You can check out their 2019 catalog, and you can be sure that we've got some really great reviews coming up. I really like this Datsun 240Z, and I can't wait to put it up against the Tokyo model and see how it looks. It's going to be a great review. That's it from the CastHeads headquarters. We've got a lot of unpacking to do. We've got a lot of boxes to throw away. We've got more cars coming in next week. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed and joined our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, then you should do now, because we've got lots and lots of great stuff for you. Right, this is me, Nigel, signing off. Beautiful Sunday morning. Lots to do. Hope you guys take it easy and have a great rest of the weekend. Check you later.